how to fix Windows 10 or Windows 11 slowing problem. So all what you have to do, guys, is simple. Just go down here on the Windows logo and go to settings like this. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go privacy, and now all what you have to do is go to Windows permissions right here, and then make all those options off like this. And after you finish after you finish this step, go to those options too and make them off. All of these need to be off like this, from on to off, just by one click. And after you finish, go back, and then all what you have to do is go to Windows Update, and then all what you have to do is just make sure to pause the update for 7 days like this by clicking on this option. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching till the very end.